this is Mary here in Junction City. I'd like to show you today this 2022 Zion. It's an SRT. And at the end of this video, if you did find it helpful, please give it a like. Okay, so here we are inside. This is a really nice floor plan, and I really do like these seats. They swivel around. You do have a table right here, so this is kind of like your dining area. Then the bathroom is actually pretty spacious in here. You do have everything that you need. This is a wet bath, so you're going to be able to have a little bit more elbow room when you close these doors, because there's a little attachment that gives you a little bit more space. And then there is a shower curtain in there as well to kind of protect you. Okay, really nice counter space with cabinets down below. And then this is your pantry. Lots of storage in here, so I do like that one. Then there is a really big, deep drawer right here underneath your fridge. And the fridge is very spacious. Look at that. Lots of space inside there. Put lots of goodies. And your ice cream goes up top. Then this is your wardrobe closet right here. And this is all storage all around here. This is the bedroom area and lounging area. You do have a TV right here. And then also, I'd love to show these blackout shades give you privacy right here. And then this is a bug screen, so if you want a little bit of, ventilation, you can just open that. Okay, then you do have a bike rack on the back of this Zion. Please give me a call. My name is Mary, 406-850-4590. I'd love to show you this van or any of the other vans that we have on the lot.